Welcome to Robin's house. Today I'm working on my Jars of Joy cards with Robin, and I'm focusing on this sweet jar stamp set. So I've stamped the little jar shapes in my Memento black ink because I'm going to be adding colors to it. But there's something really cool about this stamp set that I wanted to share. So one of the stamps, this one here, is amazing. It works with all of the other images on this stamp set. So when I go with my Pretty in Pink and I drop it into here, and then I can clean it off, and then I go with my uh, pecan pie, but I actually want second generation, and I didn't bring any paper, so I'm gonna have to go here. Go with my pecan pie, second generation, and then I want to go with my Granny Apple Green. And I'm going to do second generation. No, maybe I won't. Second. Do my Granny Apple Green in there. And then what I'm going to do is taking a totally different color of ink and a different design. You can use that same foundation to create all your cards. It's so fun. So I'm going to start off here with Garden Green and some shamrocks. And I'm just going to go over the top of that, and it fits it. It's a little hard to see through my video camera, but for the most part, it fits it exactly. I was a little off. And then I can take this little pill. This looks like a little collection of pills, but what this is a little collection of cookies. So you can take your pecan pie again. And let's see if I can aim this one a little better by changing where I'm looking at. There, we got some cookies. I still got some fun shadows in there, but no one's gonna die. And then we're gonna take this heart. So this heart is a giant one, super cute. Got my strawberry slush here. And I'm gonna try one more time. Let's see if I can aim this one. Boy, there is just no happy angle looking through my video camera. That's okay. That one worked out pretty well. So anyway, all of these are using the exact same base, but we do need to get the best cookies are chocolate chip cookies. So we got to get the chocolate chip cookies to be in there. And there we go. So now we have chocolate chip cookies, shamrocks, and hearts, all using the same cute little stamp set with that same base that we all started with. So how fun is that? Anyway, there's your tips. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.